Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. So as we already know what is VirtualBox, as it is a virtualization software which helps you run any operating system inside it. So here we are going to install a penetration testing OS which is Kali Linux inside VirtualBox in our base operating system, which is Windows OS. So let's see this. The first thing that we are going to do is go on Google and search for Kali Linux download. This will get us to the first official link of the website, which is kali.org. On here, you can see there are different versions of Kali Linux that can be downloaded. Here, we are going to download the 64-bit installer version that we will be using to install in VirtualBox. I have fast forwarded this and you can see we have successfully downloaded the ISO file. Now we are going to use this ISO file to be installed in our VirtualBox. So let's quickly start VirtualBox now, and this is how it looks. So we are going to click on New, and then we are going to give a name to the operating system. You can choose any name that you want. Choose the type as Linux and the version as Debian 64-bit, because Kali Linux is a Debian flavor operating system, as we all know. Here you can configure the memory size or the RAM size. So I'm keeping it at 2048. I'm going to choose a hard disk. You can specify how much amount of disk space you want to give over here. So let's say I'm going to give it 26 GB for an example, and I'm going to start this. Before we start, I'm going to go in settings and I'm going to check everything is fine in my configuration. Here, if you want, you can modify any settings that you later want to modify into your OS. I will go to storage, and here in the optical drive, I'm going to specify the Linux ISO that we have downloaded. I will just set this path here and hit OK. Once I do that, it will automatically start booting and there would be next steps to install the OS. As you can see, I have successfully booted the Kali Linux machine, and now there are simple steps that you need to choose. So I'm going to choose my language as English. So now I'm going to choose my keyboard as English, and I'm going to hit next. This process might take some time for the complete installation, and then it will start. I'm going to give a host name as Hacktify. You can give anything that you want of your choice. Then you need to give a full name to the user. So I'm going to again give a full name as Hacktify Cybersecurity, and then a password. So I've given the password as root. Choose the first option, which is use entire disk, and continue. All files in one partition, again continue, and then you have the final screen where you can see what are the changes that you have done. Write changes to the disk and start continue. This is it. This will install the base system for your Kali Linux operating system. It might take 15 to 30 minutes based upon the configuration of your system, and it will successfully get installed in your system. As you can see, I have successfully installed it, and we are at the screen of finish the installation. And let's see this. And you can see I have successfully booted my machine. I will use my username and password that I have provided, which successfully allows me to log in my system. I hope you guys understood this, how to install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Thank you.